Has this ever happened to you? You think, just 5 more minutes of scrolling, and the very next moment, the clock shows 3 a.m. In the morning, you wake up with burning eyes, a foggy brain, and the same line comes out, "From tomorrow, I'll sleep early," but that tomorrow never comes. Then you meet someone who says, "Bro, I sleep only 5 hours and still feel fully energetic," and you wonder how that's even possible. Today, we're decoding exactly that, how some people sleep less yet feel fully recharged, with science and no overhype. The truth is that more sleep doesn't equal better rest. Quality matters more than quantity. The brain sleeps in 90-minute cycles of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep, where deep sleep recharges the body and REM recharges the brain. If these cycles run smoothly, even 5 to 5.5 hours can feel enough. But if sleep is broken by phone light, stress, or caffeine, even 9 hours feel useless. That's why the goal is sleeping better, not longer. Fixing your sleep-wake time, even on weekends, helps your circadian rhythm release melatonin properly. Waking after full 90-minute cycles prevents grogginess. A proper pre-sleep routine, avoiding heavy food, stress, and screens before bed, improves sleep quality. Morning sunlight acts like natural caffeine by resetting your body clock and boosting serotonin, while cold water or quick movement after waking breaks sleep inertia. Cutting off caffeine after 2 p.m., optimizing your sleep environment, supporting the body with magnesium or herbal options after consulting a doctor, and journaling before bed further enhance deep sleep. Sleep isn't laziness, it's a performance tool. Successful people don't sleep less, they sleep efficiently. The real flex isn't sleeping 4 hours, but waking up clear, calm, and focused, because recharge isn't weakness, it's strategy.